Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you hide your birthday from others on Viber app. So first of all, just go to your Viber app. Now into your Viber app, just click the bottom last one, the three dot icon, and click on settings, the middle one. Now just click on privacy, the second one. Now in the middle option here you can see share your birth date. Just simply click it like this, and by clicking it your friends won't be notified on your birthday and they can't see your birthday on Viber app. So guys, it's very easy. That's how you can hide your birth date on Viber app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.